What is up, Web3 crew? Krista right here at Token2049, and I am with the Miss Erica, the beautiful founder of CryptoPlanet. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, and how's the event so far?
It's been amazing, actually. Token2049 has been a massive success. Really happy to be back in Dubai, actually. I was here last year when the flooding happened, so it's a little different, but definitely better. So really happy to be here.
So how did you prepare for Token2049? We all know that 2049 is very busy, right?
Yeah, so everyone I know is here. So I had to plan a lot of meetings, a lot of gatherings. It's all about the planning, right? And so I'm a host as well, organizer. So it took a lot of scheduling, but it's really happy to meet all the friends. Yeah.
Can you please give us a bit background about yourself and what were you doing before CryptoPlanet?
Yes, so I entered the space in 2017, so it's been a while, 7 years. I ran Crypto Seoul, which is like a community building team based in Seoul, South Korea, back in 2018. So I did a solid 6 years of community building, hosting a lot of builder events, a lot of founder events. I still do it annually. I just finished the Korea event in Korea just like last week, so very excited that it went well. So I've been doing a lot of founder building, connection building as well. And before that, before crypto, I used to work in banking, telecommunications, and policy. So a lot of random fields, but crypto is definitely a good field to be in.
What does CryptoPlanet do, and what is your expertise?
So my expertise is relationship building, trust building, as also hosting events. Like not like this massive, but I do more smaller, intimate events based on founder relationships. So I did a technical event in South Korea called BitAsia, starting in 2018. I just finished last week as well, and it's a 2-day conference, technical event, good content as well. And I did hackathons as well. I just did an open source AI hackathon in South Korea. That went super well as well. So hackathons, conferences, I'm an organizer for all of that. Let's see, my specialty, that's kind of like communications, marketing, but also relationship building, trust building, yes.
And how about CryptoPlanet? What do you specialize in?
I mean, I do events around the clock, all different types of events. It could be 2-day conference, hackathons, also brunches, dinners, all over the world actually, not just in Korea, but also Lisbon, where I'm based right now, but also like I did one in Dubai a year ago, Paris, New York, so kind of all over, and make sure that I am there, my community is there as well, and they really like that I host events all around the clock. Yeah.
Now, what makes CryptoPlanet stand out from all the competitors?
Well, I don't think there is a competitor because the work that I do is very unique because I'm more individual brand, so I don't have a huge team with me, which means like everyone trusts me to come to my events, and I think like it's irreplaceable, right? It's a very unique brand, and the how should I say, not magic, but I should say the atmosphere that I bring to the table is very unique than other organizers or hosts, and so people feel like they trust the people that I bring, and I think it's a very solid brand from 2018 that I built from 2018. So I think it's that's the magic that I create. I think it's unique as well.
What is the main mission or vision or goal of CryptoPlanet?
Basically, ecosystem expansion, not just in crypto, but also in AI as well. Because I also do events in AI, and it's been expanding last year very exponentially. So I did open source AI summit in SF, San Francisco just recently, and definitely been expanding the crypto vision, also merging it with the AI field as well. And trying to make like a really good, healthy ecosystem for all, not just like pump and dump or like short-lived like hypes, but I really want to do long-term ecosystem building. So that's my vision for the longer term.
What's next with CryptoPlanet? Any upcoming events or?
Yes, I just finished massive events like in Q1, so 2 major events, BitL Europe and BitAsia. So that's kind of off my like list right now, but it's coming back next year in a similar time frame, January and April. But also in the meantime, I'm building a co-working space in Lisbon, which is for builders, founders in AI and crypto. That's coming up in like a couple of months, so that's very exciting. And then I'll be doing some major like open source AI summits as well on the way. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Eric. I have one last question.
Yes.
What do you think is the future of money?
It's a tool where anybody can like make transactions really easily, and also globally as well. And it should be very easy to access as well, and to access like tool sets, applications across, and also for AI to also interact with each other. And so money should be accessible and everywhere and interoperable. It's not just like confined to one country, but it should be definitely open to all countries. And I think it's becoming more global, especially Dubai is a place for that. And so very excited to be here. Yeah.
Can you please describe Token2049 in 3 words? Let's go.
Wow, 3 words. Massive, merging, and dynamic.
Thank you, Erica. I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is me, Krista 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.